Oh, you got it. Okay, is there more scraping now?
That's from your painting.
Okay, we'll scrape out the rest of the pumpkin guts. Funk.
No, you're not doing it. No, stop. Keep your hands to yourself when I dig it.
What?
When I dig this. Keep your hands to yourself. No, keep your hands to yourself.
You want me to keep my hands to myself?
Yeah, what?
Who taught you who told you that?
My snapper did. Yeah.
That's some good scoop in there, buddy.
It's big. This pumpkin is very big. And then we'll cut the other one.
No, we're not cutting the little one yet.
The little one can hang around for a little while.
No, we have to cut one with this one.
Joshy, why don't you bend down and take a look and see if there's anything left in there?
Oh yeah, I need to get all the seeds and a scoop. A scoop. And scoopy.
Well, you're not scooping. You're just... Can I get the rest now?
No, I can. I can. Drop. Ooh. Push.
Josh, you did a good job on the pumpkin. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
I need to do the other one now.
No.